Hello friends, this is Sheshadri Kulkarni. Welcome to the Nosphere channel. Today we are going to know about the origin of the great Vijayanagar Empire. In the glorious history of Bharat, the history of the Vijayanagar Empire is written with the golden letters. This empire was the result of revolutionary movement which has begun in Deccan for expulsion of Turk invaders from that part of the country. Ever since the conquest of Deccan by Malik Kafur in the reign of Alauddin Khilji, the conquered races had nourished a feeling of deep resentment against their Islamic oppressors. These invaders had caused much havoc in the country, destroying human lives, demolishing sacred shrines, and robbing the wealth. The fall of Kakatiyas in 1327 and the weakness of Pandyas and Hoysalas made the rise of new power, and the Vijayanagar Empire soon rose as a mighty wall against the Turkic invaders of the north. The circumstances of its birth determined its future policy in regard to administration, and to the last day of its existence, Vijayanagar remained essentially a military state with a strong theocratic or religious basis. The rise of the Vijayanagar Empire dates from the time of the disorders occurred during the period of Muhammad bin Tughlaq. Vijayanagar Empire was formed by Harihara I and Bukkaraya I, also known as Hakka Bukka, who were real brothers. They were employed in the treasury of Prataprudra Deva Kakatiya of Warangal. They left their region in 1323 AD when the Muslims captured it. They took up the service with the Raja of Anegundi district, but soon after this, the region fell in the hands of sultans and they were taken to Delhi. The Sultan had to release the two brothers on account of Hindu rebellion. The country of Anegundi was restored to them, but they held their countries as the feudatories of the empires of Delhi. They founded the imperial city on the banks of Tungabhadra in 1336 AD with the help of Vidyaranya, who was a famous saint, sage, and a scholar. This was founded as a place of shelter against the persecutions and aggression of the Muslim invaders. One of the inscriptions also suggests that the two brothers were also related to Veera Ballala III of the Hoysala kingdom. Harihara became the first ruler of the dynasty. Towards the middle of the 14th century, a powerful Hindu kingdom known as Vijayanagara was founded in the south. Rev. Father Heras writes, the foundation of the city of Anegundi, which formed the cradle of the Vijayanagar Empire, was laid by Hoysala king Veera Ballala III, and Harihara, a near relative of the Hoysala ruling family, was frontier officer with his headquarters there. For more than a century, this kingdom was rich, prosperous, and glorious. Under its powerful kings like Krishna Devaraya, it reached its zenith of progress and prosperity. So friends, this was the information about the origin of the great Vijayanagar Empire. Hope you loved this. Like, share, and subscribe the Nosphere for more such interesting informative videos. Thank you.